Hello, happy Monday, boys and girls. I just wanted to hop on real quick. I hope y'all had a great weekend and were able to get outside and enjoy some fresh air and some sunshine. I just wanted to let you know to clarify this. Last week was the week 1 learning log, and we only had to be there. We only had to do 3 days worth of work, and I know there were 5 days included. But we're just going to go ahead and move on for the week 2. So we will start this week, Monday, week 2. I just wanted to kind of quickly go over it with you. It's very similar to last week for the most part. I'm just going to work my way down the checklist that's on the learning log. So the first one says Lexia. Just making sure you get logged into Lexia and getting that time on. I had one kiddo who passed a level last week. Good job. We had 85% class-wide participation, so just make sure you're getting on there and doing that. Second thing is reading a book to yourself or someone and doing the reading log. So same thing as last week where we're reading the book and you're doing the log. The log looks a little bit different this week. It is like this. So you're going to put the title of the book, and then it says draw a picture of the problem and draw a picture of how it was solved. So we're working on problem and solution again, but it gives lines, and so they can write the problem and the solution, and if they want to, they can draw a picture on the back. And there's only 4 days listed, so on the 5th day, I'm going to ask that they do draw a picture on a blank sheet of paper, and we'll just put it in here with the packet of the problem and solution. They can write it if they want to, yeah, or they can draw. And then the next one is comprehension on earthworms and soil. So they're going to read the passage that are about earthworms, and then on the back again, there'll be a spot with a graphic organizer and then some lines to write. So last week we did problem and solution. This week we're doing, oh, and I know it's all gone, I'm sorry. This week we're doing main idea and details. And so main idea is just, I sent a video that the kids can watch just to kind of remind them, but it's the main thing that the story is about. And then details are going to be what supports that. So in the box, they're going to write the main idea about the earthworms, and then they're going to give us 4 details that support that main idea. And then over here on the lines, they're going to write a summary with the main idea and details. Okay? And then the next thing on the list is, sorry, let me get back to the front page. Dreambox. So again, this past week we had 86% participation class-wide. If you need assistance with the class code and the school code, just let me know because they are 2 different ones. But I'm happy to help any way I can. And then there'll be the math worksheet with the 5-word problems. This time it's either adding 10 or taking 10 away. So they'll draw a picture and write an equation for how they solved it. Again, if your child needs manipulatives, you can just use things around the house, dried beans, money, pencils, erasers, crayons, markers, you name it, pretty much anything will work. Thank you, Gabe. Then the next thing that they are going to do is writing. So again, it's the same thing as last week where we have the pages that have the different writing prompts on it. And then okay. And then I thought we wanted down. And then we will write on the blank pages. This week's is they are giving an opinion. So not only do they need to tell the opinion, but they need to, they need to tell why. So for example, what is the best, I'm just looking at one. What is the best food to eat? So in the class when we do opinion writing, we write what our opinion is. And so I would say, I think blank pizza is the best food to eat. And then Gabe does not agree. Then I always have them give 3 reasons why they chose that to support their opinion. So have them do that as well when they're writing it. Then the next thing is the science page. This week we are moving on, and today they're going to learn about dingoes. So I have sent just a fun video for them to watch, a YouTube link, so they can learn a little bit more about dingoes if they would like. And then I also assigned them a book on ABAC about dingoes, so they can learn, front and center right here, so they can learn a little bit more about them if they would like. They're just going to read the passage, and then there's 4 questions that go with it. And then the last thing is ABAC. Last week it was community and helpers. This week it's places. So just having them read one of those books from the assignment and then taking the quiz on it. Also, sent a thing out on the Facebook page last week, asking you all if you would be interested in doing a Google Meet, where we get together and we like video conference, so I can see the kiddos and they can see one another. And I got a lot of good feedback from that, so I'll be sending some more information out today about that. I can't wait to see the kiddos and give them a chance to see one another. I think that would be great. Also, last thing, Dr. C sent an email out yesterday about there is a bus parked at Rich Pond for lunches. So if that's something you're interested in, just make sure you check that out. It's a great opportunity to get your kiddos some food. So thank you. Okay, that's it for today, kiddos. I love you and I miss you, and I hope to see you soon. And we okay, and we will chat soon. All right, now you can say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you blow a kiss? Thank you. Say see you later.